So this one is the Sprinter 3810 QBS. This one is a fifth wheel that's really designed for big families. So if you have a family of 4, 5, 6, 7, even 8 kids, this one is really designed for you in mind. So it has a lot of options, as you can see right here. You can pause it at any point, and you can see the floor plan right here. The bunks are the sales pitch for this thing. This thing has great bunk beds. So great sales pitch for the room for the kids. It's got a little entertainment area for the back too. And when you come in, you can see that the space in the middle isn't big, but it's enough. The dining area is a little small for what I think it should be, but you could option this for the giant seating area instead of a dining area and just eat on the chairs or eat outside. So if you have a big family, like I said, that's a seating of 4. You could probably get a couple of chairs in front of it, but it's not a big seating for a big family. If you have 4 kids, yeah, you could probably squeeze them all in here, but it's not really designed for eating and for a big family. And seating for you and your sibling or wife, it's it's got plenty there. These seats are reclining. They got a phone charger in the middle. It's a QI charger. And like I said, it's got enough in here for you and your wife to have a nice time to watch TV. I would option for the big giant seating area that goes in here instead of the 2 if you have a larger family, because if you have a large family, you're going to stick them in the dining area to watch TV. It's not going to be that comfy. The ones that it has right here, they are reclining, so that's pretty nice. But again, I would opt for the seating that takes this seating and the dining and turns it into a big giant couch area. This is the main sales pitch of this one. This one has dual double beds. So that means you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids back here. 8 kids is going to be kind of tight, but you can fit them in here and it's got enough room for them. 4 kids is tons of room for 4 kids back here. So it just depends on what you want to do or how many kids you have. It has options for it. And there's a little tiny cubby up there. I don't know what it's for, but you can store something up there. But it has pretty good storage in this area for the kids. And there's a bathroom that comes right off here, and you can access this from the outside. So that way you're not trampling dirt in and out of the RV every time you got to use the bathroom. It's a pretty nice little feature right there. And you can see right here, we're going to go back in, and you'll be able to see the living and the kitchen area really nice. Like I said, it's a nice large area for living. I would opt for getting rid of the dining room table and put a couch all the way across if you have a big family. And if you go through here, you'll see the master suite. It's coming up here. Pretty much like them all. The master suites are pretty generalized. It's nothing major. It's got a king-size bed, so that's nice. At least you have room that you can, comfortably sleep in here without hitting your spouse. That's pretty nice. Like I said, this suite is made for you, your wife, and, a lot of kids to be in the back. It's really set up for that. It's got a pretty decent master suite in here, though. It's not bad. And right at the outside of this, to the right, is the bathroom. And it's just a regular bathroom. It's nothing to write home about. But, it's just a nice all-around RV to go camping in. Got decent room in here. So I like it for big families. This one's for the big family.